G'day DIYs. I've just been working out for this wall hung vanity, and it's got two mirrors like that, and they're lit up, and I was just figuring out where to put the wire, and I reckoned I should move it across, which I have. It doesn't have to be super exact because there's a gap behind the mirrors, quite a large gap, so you can move that wire anywhere, but still want to be, you know, fairly accurate. Here are my 3 studs to hang the vanity. When I get the vanity in here and sort out my correct height, I'll cut in to my tile, so I'm not having to drill through tile. I just cut a square so it all covers by the vanity. Cut a square in my tile, and then I'm just able to screw straight through, whoosher, into the studs. They're a metal stud, as you've seen in my other videos when I was stripping it out. So I buy the special screws that drill straight into steel studs, and we're home and hose. So that's sort of what I've been fluffing around with. And also, like, I'll slap these 4 tiles up. Also, just to check your height, I've showed it before in other videos, just run a straight edge across. You know that you're pretty good, so you can go up with full tiles, so you're not stopping and starting your stride. You cut all them in one go, sort of, you know, and then you put them in, instead of changing from doing fullies to then a cut and then a fully. And no, it's quicker to go up your whole line doing all your cuts. Slap in some clips, but I got a couple of days or 2 or 3 days to go yet on this bathroom. It's a bit of a biggie, but it's good. Because it's been a full strip out, full strip out, waterproof, screed, tile, but we're getting through it. I had a helper to help strip out, but then he became a pain in the ass, and I prefer it by myself. But here's a good help for stripping out. Which I needed. I hope you're enjoying the light-in entertainment on the couch. watching a bit of tiling. Right. Put a line up there. So there. So there. That's where my square hole needs to go. Slap the glue on. Right, put up my clips. Edge up. Get that through there.